What is Guidewire ClaimCenter? Guidewire ClaimCenter is a comprehensive claims management system used by insurance companies to manage the entire life cycle of a claim, from first notice of loss FNOL to settlement. It helps insurers process claims faster, reduce operational costs, and improve customer service by providing automation, rules engines, and configurable workflows. What are the key features of ClaimCenter? First notice of loss FNOL capture, claim assignment and routing, automated workflow and rules engine, integration with policy and billing systems, document management, payment processing and fraud detection, real-time dashboards and reporting. What are the main components modules of ClaimCenter? Claim file, central record of the claim, activities, tasks assigned to users, exposure, specific coverages affected in a claim, reserves and payments, financial aspects, parties involved, claimant, insured, witnesses, etc., notes, documents, and emails. Explain the ClaimCenter architecture. ClaimCenter is based on a three-tier architecture: presentation layer, web UI built using PCF files; Donag application layer, business logic using GoSu; persistence layer, database access managed via data model files. It supports integrations through SOAP/REST APIs and plugins for external systems. What is GoSu in ClaimCenter? GoSu is the proprietary programming language used in Guidewire applications like ClaimCenter. It's a statically typed, object-oriented language similar to Java, designed to handle business logic and customizations within the system. What are PCF files in ClaimCenter? PCF, page configuration files, define the UI components in ClaimCenter. They are XML-based files that control the layout, widgets, actions, and behavior of pages displayed to users. How does the claim lifecycle work in ClaimCenter? The typical claim lifecycle includes FNOL, capture claim creation and assignment, coverage verification, investigation and reserving payment processing, closure or litigation handling. What is an exposure in ClaimCenter? An exposure represents a claim against a particular coverage on a policy. Each exposure is linked to an incident and coverage, such as vehicle damage or bodily injury, and can have its own reserves, payments, and activities. How are business rules managed in ClaimCenter? Business rules in ClaimCenter are written in GoSu and are organized into rule sets. Types include validation rules, pre-update rules, assignment rules, segmentation rules. Rules can be configured using Studio without modifying the core code. What is Guidewire Studio? Guidewire Studio is the development IDE used for customizing and configuring Guidewire applications. It supports editing PCF files, writing GoSu code, and managing data model changes. What is an activity in ClaimCenter? An activity is a task assigned to a user or group in the claims process. Activities can be created manually or automatically based on workflows or business rules and are used to track progress and ensure timely handling. Explain the claim segmentation process. Claim segmentation is the process of categorizing claims based on complexity, risk, or value. This helps assign claims to the appropriate handler. Segmentation can be automated using rules evaluating claim data like type, coverage, or past history. What are workflows in ClaimCenter? Workflows define a sequence of automated steps or decisions that guide claims processing. These are built using flow definitions in the system and can trigger actions such as creating activities, sending notifications, or updating fields. What is a claim health indicator in Guidewire ClaimCenter? A claim health indicator is a visual metric that shows the current status or potential issues with a claim. It helps adjusters quickly identify claims needing attention, such as delays, missing information, or potential fraud. These indicators are configurable and can be based on business rules. How do you manage reserves and payments in ClaimCenter? Reserves, estimated financial obligation for exposures. Payments, actual disbursement against reserves. ClaimCenter enforces reserve and payment rules, ensuring proper authorization and fund tracking. What are plugins in ClaimCenter? Plugins are customizable components used to extend ClaimCenter functionality and integrate with external systems. Example billing, external document storage. Developers can use Guidewire's plugin interfaces and implement them in Gosu or Java. What is the use of the data dictionary in ClaimCenter? The data dictionary provides detailed metadata about data entities, attributes, and relationships within ClaimCenter. It helps developers and analysts understand the data model for customizations or reporting. What are event messages in ClaimCenter? Event messages are used to facilitate asynchronous communication between systems. They're triggered by system events and sent to external systems via messaging destinations configured with message transport plugins. What is a bulk invoice in ClaimCenter? A bulk invoice is a collection of payments grouped together and submitted by a vendor, example, medical provider, repair shop. ClaimCenter supports processing, reviewing, and approving bulk invoices efficiently. What are the key benefits of using Guidewire ClaimCenter for insurers? Improved efficiency, automates workflows and reduces manual tasks, speeding up claim processing. Better customer experience, provides timely updates and streamlined interactions for claimants. Enhanced decision-making, offers real-time analytics and reporting to optimize claim outcomes. How is security managed in ClaimCenter? Security is role-based. Users are assigned roles, each associated with permissions controlling access to screens, fields, and actions. Additional security can be enforced using rules or conditions based on user attributes. What is the role of contact management in ClaimCenter? Contact management involves storing and managing entities involved in claims. Example, claimants, vendors, attorneys. Contacts are reusable across claims and can be enriched with additional details like tax ID, license numbers, etc. What are transactions in ClaimCenter? Transactions refer to financial entries such as payments, recoveries, or reserves. Every financial operation is recorded as a transaction, ensuring auditability and transparency. What are validation rules in ClaimCenter? Validation rules enforce data integrity and ensure business logic compliance before persisting changes. They can validate field values, mandatory data, or enforce business logic during claim entry or update. How do you deploy custom changes in ClaimCenter? Deployment involves developing in Guidewire Studio, compiling the project, packaging it as a WAR file, deploying to an application server like Tomcat or WebLogic, performing data model upgrades, if needed, using Guidewire tools like GWCC,